100 short and simple sentences for real English. 100 short and simple sentences for real English. 1. I am tired. I am tired. 2. It is late. It is late. 3. Let's go now. Let's go now. 4. See you soon. See you soon. 5. Have a good day. Have a good day. 6. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. 7. I need help. I need help. 8. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? 9. What is that? What is that? 10. This is easy. This is easy. 11. I like it. I like it. 12. It's cold. It's cold. 13. Open the door. Open the door. 14. Close the window. Close the window. 15. Sit down, please. Sit down, please. 16. Stand up straight. Stand up straight. 17. Come here. Come here. 18. Go away. Go away. 19. Be quiet. Be quiet. 20. Listen to me. Listen to me. 21. I understand. I understand. 22. I don't know. I don't know. 23. Maybe later. Maybe later. 24. Not right now. Not right now. 25. That is all. That is all.
26. It is okay. It is okay. 27. I am happy. I am happy. 28. She is sad. She is sad. 29. He is funny. He is funny. 30. They are kind. They are kind. 31. We are friends. We are friends. 32. The food is good. The food is good. 33. The car is fast. The car is fast. 34. The house is big. The house is big. 35. The movie was long. The movie was long. 36. The book is interesting. The book is interesting. 37. I have a question. I have a question. 38. Can I ask you? Can I ask you? 39. Tell me more. Tell me more. 40. Show me how. Show me how. 41. I can do it. I can do it. 42. He can help. He can help. 43. She will try. She will try. 44. We should wait. We should wait. 45. They might come. They might come. 46. I want coffee. I want coffee. 47. She wants tea. She wants tea. 48. He needs rest. He needs rest. 49. We need water. We need water. 50. They need food. They need food. 51. I feel sick. I feel sick. 52. He feels better. He feels better. 53. She looks happy. She looks happy. 54. They seem busy. They seem busy. 55. We are ready. We are ready. 56. It is time to go. It is time to go. 57. What time is it? What time is it? 58. Where are you? Where are you? 59. How are you? How are you? 60. I am fine, thanks. I am fine, thanks. 61. It is a nice day. It is a nice day. 62. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. 63. The flowers are pretty. The flowers are pretty. 64. The music is loud. The music is loud. 65. Turn it down. Turn it down. 66. Please be careful. Please be careful. 67. Watch out. Watch out. 68. I agree with you. I agree with you. 69. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. 70. I don't think so. I don't think so. 71, are you sure? Are you sure? 72, yes, I am sure. Yes, I am sure. 73, no, I am not sure. No, I am not sure. 74, it depends on the weather. 75, let me think. Let me think. 76, I forgot my keys. I forgot my keys. 77, I lost my phone. I lost my phone. 78, can you help me find it? Can you help me find it? 79, this is my friend. This is my friend. 80, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. 81, how do you spell that? How do you spell that? 82, what does it mean? What does it mean? 83, can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? 84, I don't understand this word. I don't understand this word. 85, please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. 86, I am learning English. I am learning English. 87, English is interesting. English is interesting. 88, I like to read. I like to read. 89, she likes to sing. She likes to sing. 90, he likes to play. He likes to play. 91, we like to travel. We like to travel. 92, they like to eat. They like to eat. 93, the movie starts soon. The movie starts soon. 94, dinner is ready. Dinner is ready. 95, time for bed. Time for bed. 96, good night. Good night. 97, sleep well. Sleep well. 98, see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. 99, have a good weekend. Have a good weekend. 100, take care. Take care.